Hello everyone, this is Aamir Abbas once again, and today in this video I'm going to I'm going to show you the RStudio interface through which we will be demonstrating the R coding process in this series. What I will want you to do in this RStudio, I will want you to do go to File, New File, and within this I will suggest you to that you open this R Markdown. And there are other ways to do coding in RStudio as well, but I will be demonstrating every code with help of R Markdown. So, and I will explain the reason why we are choosing R Markdown later in this series. But for the time being, if you're learning here, you just follow this process for the time being. When you open it, a window like this will open. So this window over here, this is the R Markdown. It will have some placeholder text. I'm gonna get to this uh, in the in one of the next sessions. But remember that whatever coding we do, we will be doing in this window. Uh, Another window which you can see below it, that is the R console. And what it does is we will be doing any type of coding in here. So we can do coding in R Markdown as well. And we can also do coding in the console as well. And the difference between the two is that whatever coding we do in R Markdown, you can save it for later use as well. But if you do coding in R console, for example, if I write to plus 2, which essentially is a line of code, and run it, so that can be run, but the code would you will not have a way to easily save that code over here. So that is our console. um, on this side, if you see, you can see the environment, whatever files or variables or data frames you're gonna or rather not the files, but the data frames or the variables or vectors or different data structures about which we'll be talking in the later um, sessions. Whatever you load, that you can see over here. And then at the bottom, below the environment area, you will see uh, different tabs. For example, these are the packages, whatever packages are installed, that you can see over here. Then you can also navigate through your computer through different files. If you sometimes the plots which you run will open over here, and then there's a help section, there's a viewer section, and then there's a presentation section over here. So through this video, I just wanted to show to you the interface in RStudio. See you in the next session.